Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a nice day. So please, guys, first, if this is the first time of you coming to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, please. So today I have an amazing topic to share with you. How you can recover any file that you've already deleted without paying a dime. You understand? With that, we want to use the window inbuilt app to do this today. So I know I make a video, I think that was last week or earlier this week, about how to recover using a software, but the software restricts you to recover only 2 GB of data. But with this, you can recover anything as long as you just do what I do, and trust me, it doesn't have a limit, no restriction. If this is what you're looking for, sit back and relax. Let's get into it.
Our strategy focuses on AI, data, and cybersecurity.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, let's do this right now. All right, okay. The first thing you need to do is you need to know a little bit about the commands, but just type whatever I type, because I'm gonna put the command or the link to those commands in my description, because we are using Microsoft command prompt to execute these, and it doesn't have a limit. Trust me, guys, it doesn't have a limit. Whatever, as much as possible, as many as possible you want to recover, as long as you know the location of the files, you specify. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go to Microsoft Store. All right, we need to go to Microsoft Store, which you need to go to Start menu. By the search, it's there already, but by the search, you can still type Store. It's gonna bring it out in case if you don't see it, because remember, Microsoft pop up the last thing you do. So I've installed this, and I'm executing this. That's why you can see in that shortcut menu. But in your case, you need to type store. It's gonna bring it out. Then you press store. Then the next available thing is gonna take you to the store. And you just go to the search, and you are going to type the name of the file that I want to give you, the name of the app that I want to give you, which is Window File Recovery. All right, this is the tricky part of window file downloading something that's in the store. You're gonna find a lot of apps that do the same thing. Some might look similar to the same name that you type. So just look at the logo of the one that I am instructing you to download, so you can execute exactly what I want to do. So you can have a success rate. So in this situation, because I've downloaded it before, it shows open. But in your own case, because you haven't downloaded it before, there it's gonna show you get. Then you need to click that get. It's gonna install it automatically. So after that, you can see open, like the one for mine. So after you're done installing it, so what you need to do, you can open from there. But if you don't want to open from there because of another time, maybe you don't want to execute it now, just go to Start menu and type Window File Recovery. If you don't get it in the shortcut, go up also, just type window, it's gonna open for you. Then we can start programming it. All right, so now this is the terminal list, where the difference between that and this is command prompt, that is GUI, graphic user interface. So here we are going to be inputting a command. So your skills depend on how you can navigate to the directory. Right, so if you know how to navigate to the directory, it's going to be easy for you. Or else you can do the way I just do it now. Trust me, you're going to be fine. And you're going to get the file. So here, the first thing you need to specify is where you want to get the data from. Where you want to get the data from and where the data want to go. Then you want to specify the type of file you want to recover. maybe it does COS, maybe it does TXT, maybe it does PDF, whatever like that. Those are the files name. I make mention of extension the other time. So the type of file you want to recover is what you are going to specify. So here, the command is win FR, then space, C column. That is, you are specific that no, the data you want to recover is in drive C. So now, this data you want to recover, where you want to put it? Where do you want to store them? So you want to store them in another drive, which is drive E. Then you put semicolon. You want to restore all the file. Don't specify the filter. But now I'm gonna let you know something. Because inside C, there's a lot of files there. There's TXT, there's DOCX. Now I want to recover only PDF file. Only PDF file. I want to recover only PDF files. Right. So I have to specify which type of file do I want to recover. So it's not going to come with a lot of chunks, with a lot of files. All right. So, and to do that, space /n. Then if you watch some of my video, you understand what I mean by wildcard. I'm gonna make video on this particularly, so you will understand how to search, how to narrow your search. You understand? Because star is any file name. You understand? And I did make mention of PDF, .pdf.doc, which is what they call extension. So you specify I need any file with the extension of PDF, meaning with the PDF. Then you hit enter. Then it's gonna ask you, do you wanna continue? Obviously, you want to recover the file. Say yes. Just type Y and enter. Then later, it's going to tell you view, window, recover files. What you want to do, you want to view exactly because you are curious. You want to know what it is. So you have to type yes. That is going to pop out the window where the location of the recovery, right? Where the file has been recovered. It's going to open. I want you to pay attention to something right now, right? We want to recover file from C to E. If you look at the drive here, up here, you can see is data E. Up there is data E. So meaning you are taking the file there. All right. So let's explore it. Let's go to my document. Then you see the files that this recover. You can recover as many as possible. It doesn't matter. If we specify start.pdf, then you make a space start.docs. You're gonna recover Microsoft Word and this or TXT, whatever like that. So I'm gonna put the description in my the link in my bio, so where you can get all those commands, so you can upskill yourself. You understand what I mean? All right. This and this the PDF file, and when you recover, you can recover as many as possible. As many as possible, because we specified .pdf. That is why you can see the PDF. So here is the website, which is window website. So there's nothing wrong with this. It's quite legitimate, right? Where you can specify, where you can read the command, window recovery, where you can read all the command, how to slash them, how to upskill yourself is one of the best things. And trust me, this can recover as many as possible. As many as possible you want to recover. It doesn't have a limit, no restriction, and there's nothing. The whole thing is legal. So it's not illegal because Microsoft put it on their database that no, you can do this. So actually, this is gonna save you a lot of money, right? It's gonna save you a lot of money. Rather than buying, there's some software that immediately you do the recovery, what they do is when you find the file, when you want to recover it, when you want to restore it to the location where you want to save it, they ask you to subscribe. But this, you don't need to subscribe. Just do what I do. And trust me, you're going to be fine. If this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button and do comment if this really help you. Do comment, this really help you. This is going to be the end of this video. My name is Samuel from Smart Digital Learning. Signing out.